Hello everyone. In the last class, we have discussed about the introduction to OData and we have fetched some data and we have displayed it in the transaction service register IWFND MAANT service. So through the transaction, we have saw the data, right? Now fine. Let me continue for that one. So the package name, yesterday we have created one package, right? Let me open that one. The transaction code is SCGW. Right. The package name is ZVBAK. Yesterday we have created it and uh, click on runtime artifacts. Press 1 minute. Yeah, fine. Uh, so we have added our logic in DPC extension class. So let me open it. So here methods and so whatever we have redefined the methods, those we can see here. So methods is there and inherited methods and here redefined method. Two methods are there. Two methods we have redefined. Fine. So let me open the first one. Get entity set. Here I'm uh, fetching the data BBELN and customer number uh, from VBAK table, right? And coming to the get entity, okay, here also we're fetching a single record, but I hope 1 minute. I hope this is the thing or 1 minute. Sorry. Actually, what I have done yesterday, I have implemented this method, right? And after that one, the get entity. Okay. So, so in the get entity method also, I have redefined. Okay. So as of now, I will keep it like this. Okay, I will discuss it. Why? I mean, after the class, I have just practiced on it. So, but I did not remove that one. Okay. I will explain you what it is. Okay. Fine. And now, sorry, I was talking in mute. Uh, so what happened actually? In the last class, I have implemented this get entity set method, and I did not come for get entity. Okay, but after the class, I have practiced something on this one, but I forgot to remove that code. Okay, now I will discuss what I have written in the get entity also. I will come back. Okay, now I'm opening the service here. So the transaction code is IWFND slash MAINT service. Right? What is happening? Click on execute button. What the service name? Yesterday we have created, right? The service name. So click on back. So this is the service ZVBAK SRV. Correct. Now just give the filter here and provide the service name. Click on enter button. Now we have to click on this gateway client. Fine. And if we click on execute button, it will give the some metadata. Metadata means data about data means. So we are fetching something data, we are displaying something data, right? So for displaying the data, what is the structure here? So those things it will display. So here we are using SO header set. Okay, this is the entity set name. Okay, entity set name, and we are using SO header. This is the entity set. Okay, so this type of information we can get it here, and I want to display the information, right? Sales information. Now we need to select in the URI here. This is called URI. Okay, so in the URI, just service name is there. Okay, just service name is there. After that one, from which entity set we want to display the data, the entity set name we are not giving, right? Now what will happen? It will not give any data. Okay, this service may contain some 5 6 entity sets also. Okay, now click on entity set here. Only one entity set I have created, so it is displaying only one thing. Just select that one and now click on execute button. So it is displaying the data, right? And if you want to change the XML format to JSON format, what we have to do here? Okay, here add URI option is there, or you can do like this also. So for the first time, okay, after the entity set name, if you want to add some more features, okay, if you want to add some more features, then we have to start like this question mark, okay, and dollar symbol, question mark and dollar symbol. Format is equal to JSON. Don't give any space or don't give any capital letters, title case like that. These all things in the small letters only. This is the case sensitive. Okay, click on execute button. Okay, so it is coming like this. Okay, fine. Now, here I am fetching only VBELN and Punar, right? I will try to add two more fields. Okay, I will try to add two more fields. So we have to go to data model and entity type. Okay, in the properties tab, so two more fields I want to add here. So VBELN Punar and VBTYP. Data element will not accept directly here. So I will go for string only. Okay, here I will try to add, see, here I am not passing anything. Automatically it is coming VBELN and the Punar. Here, whatever the name I am giving, that name will come here. Okay, now here VBTBYP I'm giving it here, right? Now here document type. Okay, document type I'm giving here. What is the difference? I will let you know. Okay, and here Document date AUDAT is there. Fine, I will take for AUDAT. And so here, if you see AUDAT, this is the dates, means it is the date format. Okay, date format. And here, if you check the data types, here binary is there, boolean, byte, date time is there. Okay, I mean, after the date time also will come. This is a mixed of date and time, and date time offset. But only date, where is the date? Time is there. Okay, especially time is there, but especially date is not there, right? So in these cases also we can go for string only. Okay, string only. Now, now I am not passing anything here. Okay, for AUDAT, I am not passing anything in the ABAP field name. So if we don't pass anything, then what will happen? Whatever the name we are giving here, the same name only will come here. Okay, the same name, this AUDAT only will come here. Fine. Now save it, generate it. So you are doing something changes in the structure level. Okay, so not only structure level, whatever you are doing the changes at that time, better to regenerate it. Okay, so generate better. So it is showing something error like entity set PO must be by an entity type. Fine. PO header set must define an entity type. But I have given right. Why PO header came here? Add generate it. Fine. There is no issue now. So actually something PO header set. I mean someone has added here, but I don't know who has added that one. I have removed it. Okay. Now SO header set. So this SO header set is created by using the SO header. Okay. The entity type is SO header only. Fine. Now I will come back to our code. Methods, redefine methods can come for get entity set. Okay. Now click on edit mode. If you see the structure here, the exporting parameter et underscore entity set is there, right? So if you double click on this type ttso header, then it will add those four fields also. Here, how it is there? VBELN for our document type is coming here. Okay, document type is coming here. Let me copy it here and see VBELN for document type and AUDAT. But for the document type, I have given like VBTBYP in the structure level in the entity. I mean, see, uh, in the entity type, I'm giving here VBTBYP. Okay, VBTBYP. So VBTBYP I'm giving, but here document type I'm giving in the ABAP field name. I'm giving it in the document type. Okay, but in the coding level, in the declaration, internal declarations, so it is taking the name this one only. Okay, we are writing something ABAP code. At that time, it will consider, system will consider these names only. Okay, these names only. And these names, where can we see? In the output, we can see these names. Okay, I will show you that one also. So for the coding level, we need to consider these things only, ABAP field name. Okay, fine. Now come back. Click on edit mode. Now, customer number is okay. Then VBTYP. Why I am taking here VBTYP? I will let you know. And AUDAT. Okay. Now click on change. Sorry. Now check it. So the error is coming for AUDAT, right? Why it is coming like this? Here, AUDAT, it is containing the data type as a DATS. Okay, DATS means it is a date format. But here, uh, while declaration AUDAT, I am maintaining it as a string. Okay, string to date format. It is not converting that. That is why it is showing some error, right? So in this case, what we have to do? At the date data, LTVBAK. Okay, I'm taking one internal table here. Okay, LTBBAK, I'm taking one internal table. So move corresponding LTBBAK to ET entity set. Let me check it in this way. Check it. Is there any syntax errors? No. Okay, so we can do like this. Okay, directly in a select query, we cannot pass a ET underscore entity set because the date it is coming like AUDAT. This is the document, I mean, date format it is coming. But in the declaration part, I have taken like AUDAT as a string. So it is converting like this. And here VBT by P in the table level, VBT by P only is available. But the name has changed here. Okay, as a document type. Okay, for that one only, I am taking like VBTYP as document type. Okay, alias name I am giving here. Okay, alias name. Now activate it. It's activated. Okay, it's activated. Now click on execute button once again. See VBEL and Kunar, these two things are coming. And if I click on execute one more time, so it will display four fields. Oh, okay. VBELN, Kunar, VBTYP, and AUDAT. Okay, four fields it is displaying here. Fine. This is okay. Fine. Now, now I want to display the sales document number, only particular sales document number. This is the thing. Okay. Only 7 all zeros 4 5. This is the sales document number. I want to display only this document number. I don't want all things here. So in this case, what we have to do? Okay. Here we are applying something, the entity set, right? So after this one, I am giving something brace, I mean bracket, a single quotation. I am maintaining the document number, says document number. Okay. So click on execute button. Not found, it is showing here. Okay, fine. So what is happening? So we want to display only single value. Okay. We want to display only single value. Then we need to implement. Okay. We need to implement get entity method. So let me come back here. So in the last class, we have discussed this one. Okay, so here SO header set. This is the entity set name. After that one, here get entity set is coming here. Get entity set means if you want to display the data, I mean multiple lines information, if you want to display, then we will go for this get entity set. Or if you want to display only single line information, then we have to go for get entity. Okay, don't forget this one. For single record, get entity. For multiple records, get entity set. Now I want to display only single record, single sales information. Then I have to go to get entity only. Double click on it and click on change button. Now I will implement it. Okay, so select VBELN Kunar VBTYP as document type. Comma and AUDAT. Okay, from VBAK into at the date. This is a single record, right? So select single will come. Here we can see something exporting parameter, ER entity. Here only two things are there in the exporting parameters, ER entity and ES response content. Okay, I will discuss about this one bit later. And now we want to display some data, right? So the data, this parameter will contain the data. Okay, ER entity will contain the data. How can we say this? Here we can see the structure TSS4 header. Okay, so if you double click on this one, click on S button. Okay, VBELN Kunar VB document type and AUDAT, right? So I'm using that one only here and here ER underscore entity. Let me check it. So as usually it will throw error for AUDAT because here AUDAT here AUDAT is the date format, but in the declaration part is the string format. The type conflict is coming here. So what I will do, LSVBAK I will take here. Same thing, move corresponding. Okay, move corresponding LSVBAK to ER entity. Let me check it now. LSVBAK is unknown. What happened? Into data. Now check it. Okay, there is no error now. So I'm taking the data into one local work area. From that work area, I'm passing into ER underscore entity. Right? So this is okay, fine. Activate it. Okay, activate it. Fine. I will come back here. Okay, I will come back and I will execute it. Okay, so it is displaying the data. Okay, how it is displaying? Only single record, but what I'm giving here, 7 all zeros 4 5. Okay, 7 all zeros 4 5 I have given, but here what is happening? 7 all zeros is coming, but in the select query, I am not giving any wait condition. Okay, I am not giving any wait condition. Then what is happening? System is fetching the first record from the VBAK table, but I need to give the where condition. But how? Where can I give? How can I give the where condition here? So I don't know exactly, right? So keep the breakpoint. And here we need to keep only external breakpoints. Don't give the these things session breakpoint here. Okay, so you need to give only external breakpoint. And now click on execute button. Here local is coming. Okay, so if you click on local here, you can see something. IT key tab is coming here. Okay, so where is it? Here, right? Here I am passing something value. Okay, I want to display only 7 all zeros 4 5. Okay, so this is the key field information. This is the VBELN. This is the key field information, right? So only that information I want to display. So at that time we can see in the debugging. So IT key tab. Okay, IT key tab. One parameter is there. So if we check this IT parameter, double click on it. Now we can see VBELN and the value is coming like this. Okay, the value is coming like this. Now click on back button. Okay, now come to the program, the method implementation. We can see the IT key tab here. Okay, so in the debugging also same thing. Okay, IT key tab is there, so it will contain the record. So whatever we are giving in the bracket, so that value is coming in the bracket. Okay, so the structure is containing two columns here, name and value. Name is the VBELN and value is the 7 all zeros 4 5, right? Now, based on these two things, I will write the logic like this. Okay, data of ls data of ls key is equal to uh, IT key tab. IT key tab. So in this one, I'm giving the condition. So what is the condition here? The name should be, see, the name should be VBELN, right? So the same thing I'm writing here. Name is equal to VBELN. Okay, so these are read table syntax only. I'm just writing AVAP 7.4 syntaxes here. Okay, so otherwise you can write the read table syntax. Read table IT key tab into some work area, then give the condition with key condition like that. Okay, so that is also work fine, no issue. Fine. Just I'm checking. Okay, just I'm checking. So the name is equal to VBELN is there or not. So for those things, in this internal table, it may contain 2, 3 columns also. Okay, so VBELN this one in the next field, I can give something Postner also. If it is the item information, then I can give the Postner also. That is the item information, right? So in this case, what we have to do, I'm checking. So the VBELN is there or not? Okay. So if the VBELN is there, then the data will come into ls underscore key. Okay. ls underscore key. Now in this ls underscore key, we have the data. Okay. We have the data, name and value. So here I will give some condition like where VBELN is equal to ls underscore key, okay, hyphen value. So how can I find out the name here? ls hyphen key hyphen value like that. Okay, so in the debugging mode, you can see, so it is containing two things, name and value. Name is the field which is containing the field name, and value is the field which is containing the actual value. The value I'm passing it here. Okay, that value I'm passing it here. Now activate it. It is activated. Now coming to the debugging screen, execute it once. Let me execute it once again. So it will come to the debugging mode now. So this IT key tab, double click on it. It is containing one record. So if you see, the name and value is coming here. So click on back button. Now click on F5 button. So if you see ls underscore key, it is containing something data here. So VBELN and the value. the 7 all zeros 4 5. So based on that value, in the where condition, I'm giving ls key value. The value is this one. Okay, now click on F5. So the data will be like this. ls will be ak. Okay, this is the data. Now click on back and click on execute button. Fine, this is okay, fine. It is working exactly. 7 all zeros square 5 record it is fetching. Fine, correct. Now my requirement is I don't want to give the key field information. I want to filter the data based on the document type. Okay, document type. The VBTYP is equal to A or VBTYP is equal to B or C. I will give the filter like that. This is a non-key field information. Okay, if you want to filter the data, okay, based on the key field information, then we can go like this. Directly in a single quotation, we can pass these things. Okay, but I don't want to give key field information. Non-key field information also I will give the filter. Okay, at that time, what I have to do, right? So it will not work here. Now, I'm giving the filter for VBTYP document type, right? So here VBTYP is coming. In the output, VBTYP is coming. Okay, because we can see here the document type. Okay, the document type. This is coming like this in the declaration part. Okay, in the declaration part, I have given like VBTYP only, but in above field name, I have given a document type. So this will come in the coding level, but for the displaying the data, VBTYP only will come. Okay, so whatever the here VBTYP for displaying purpose, the data is displaying, right? So at that time, it will display these names only. Okay, these names only. But while writing the code, okay, while writing the code, at that time, system will accept these names only. Okay, that is the thing. Fine. And here, I want to give the filter based on the non-key field information, right? So if I give the filter, the VBTYP is equal to A, then in the VBAK table, it may contain more than one record, okay, which will contain the document type as A. Means multiple records will come. Multiple records means we have to implement the code. I mean, we have to implement the code in get entity set method. Okay, multiple lines information is coming, right? So at that time, we have to go to entity set. Okay, here I need to apply that one. But where can I apply that one? Okay, where can I apply that one? So before going that one, I will apply the filter, then I will come to the debugging screen. Okay, I don't know where I have to give, how I have to give, I don't know that exactly. So keep the breakpoint here. External breakpoint we need to take. Oh, 1 minute. Yeah, fine. I'm giving the external breakpoint here. And now, so here I need to give something filter, right? So if you want to give after the entity set name, we are doing something operation, right? So at that time, we have to give something question mark and dollar symbol, then filter. Okay, filter. Here, VBTYP filter is equal to VBTYP equal to A. Okay, VBTYP is equal to A. Let me check it. Execute this one. So it is showing something a bad request. This is the bad request it is showing here. Means this is not the correct way. Okay, fine. This is correct only. Here, what I'm doing? Question mark dollar. Okay, this is important. Don't forget about this one. So after entity set, okay, after entity set, I'm doing something operation. Okay, so either it is a formatting issue or I mean XML JSON like that, or if you want to give something filters, or if you want to give something, here lot of options are there. Okay, here lot of options are there. Okay, we will come whenever the situation will come. We will discuss about those things. Okay, so for the first time, if you want to give some other operation after the entity set, we have to start with question mark dollar. Okay, question mark dollar, and now we have to apply the filter, and in the bracket I'm giving VBTBYP is equal to A. Now click on execute button. It will go to the debugging screen. Click on the desktop tree, and here click on local tab. Okay, and here we can see where is it? ID key type is 0 because I am not passing any key field information, right? So this is non-key field information. So where is it? Where is it? Uh, no, 1 minute. Actually, the value will come here. IV filter string. The value is not coming. Let me do one thing. Filter is equal to, okay. Yeah, correct. So what happened? I have given something invalid name VBTYP. Okay, but previously I have given VBTYP. I have given, so it was not giving. So I have given filter is equal to in the bracket VBTYP equal to A. I have given and click on execute button. And now we can see in the desktop tree in the locals, we can see something IV filter string. Okay, IV filter string. So here it is coming like this: VBTYP is equal to A. Okay, VBTVP is equal to A. So based on this thing, I can write the where condition in the get entity set method. Okay, we can see that I wish that is that one. Let me come to the debugging screen. IV filter string, right? So let me come back to method implementation. IV filter string. It is available here, right? So just copy this one and I will give the where condition here, where uh, I'm giving the condition, right? So in the where condition, so if you see the debugging, automatically it is coming VBTYP equal to A. I mean not required to take the exact field. We are giving VBTYP or Kunar or document type or AUDT, whatever it is. Okay, automatically it will take. Okay, in the IV filter string, it will contain that one. Okay, so if you want to give the where condition like this, so we need to mention it in the braces. Let me check it. Okay, syntactically this is correct. Click on activate it. Okay, this is activated. Now coming to the debugging screen, execute it. This is the old version. Now I will come back. I will execute it once again. Okay, I will execute it once again. Click on execute button. Now here in the where condition, IV filter string. So in the bracket, it is coming like VBTYP is equal to A. Okay, so if I click on apply button, so the data will fetch, and if we check in the LTVBAK, so whatever the data, only the document type equal to A, those data only coming here. Right now, click on execute button. Okay, the data is coming like this. Okay, data is coming like this. So VBTYP equal to A, and here also A. So whatever the VBTBYP equal to A, that data only will come here. But I want to display in the JSON format. Okay, how can I do? Now I'm giving one more operation here. So this is the first operation, filter, and the second operation is the format. Okay, format. So for the second time onwards, okay. So for the first time, we have to give question mark and dollar symbol. Okay, after completion of this data, I mean entity set, we are giving something question mark and dollar, right? So this is for first operation only. For the second operation onwards, we have to give like I mean ampersand dollar. Okay, ampersand dollar format is equal to JSON. Click an execute button. Now it is coming in the JSON format. Okay, don't forget about this one. For the first time, we have to give question mark and dollar symbol. From second time onwards, we have to give ampersand and dollar symbol. Fine, this is okay, fine. I want to give, okay, I want to give one more condition. Like, so the document type is equal to A and the customer number is equal to this one. Okay, 0017 all zeros one. This is my condition now. I want to give one more condition here. Okay, here what I will do. Kunar is equal to, like in a single quotation, I'm giving this one. Let me execute it here. So it is going to the debugging screen. And if you check the where condition, okay, and if you check the where condition, IV filter string, we can see something VBTYP equal to A and Kunar equal to something. So automatically it is taking here. Okay, automatically it is taking. Fine, click on F5 button. And if you see, the LTVBAK is containing only 3 records because the document type should be A and the customer number should be 17 all zeros 1. Only 3 records are coming. Okay, so fine, execute it here. Okay, this is the first one, second one, third one. Only 3 records are coming here. Okay, fine. But I have one more the requirement. If I give something uh, a range value, okay, if I give something range value, then how it will come? Okay, here also we can give the ranges, but I will discuss it tomorrow. Okay, so as of now, you can, I mean, you can practice up to here. How can we give these things? So I will give you one uh, uh, brief explanation for this one. And if you want to try, you can try from your end. Okay, here in the where condition, I'm taking like this, right? So in the where condition, I'm giving IV filter string because if you come to the local, here IV filter string is there, right? IV filter string. So it is coming the value like this, right? And I have one more thing also, IT filter select options. Okay, IT filter select options. Just double click on it. And now we can see something VBTYP and Punar. Two fields I am taking here. Okay, in the filter I am taking two fields VBTYP and Punar. And if you double click on this one, it is coming like select options. Okay, it is coming like select options. So click on back button and this one also it is coming like the select options, right? So I want to give like this. Okay, so in real time we don't use this one because it will be clumsy. So if I give more than 2 3 filters, it will be in the same line. And if I give something uh, ranges from and to like that, at that time also it will be clumsy. It will not allow here. It may allow, but it will be clumsy for writing the code. So better to go for IT filter select options. Okay, IT filter select options. Here we can understand easily. We can separate that where conditions. Okay, so VBTYP and Punar or whatever it is. Okay, if you have some, I mean, if you want to implement from your end, you can implement by using this internal table. Okay, in the where condition, we have to apply these values. If you want to try, you can try from your end. Otherwise, we will discuss it in the next class. Okay, fine. Art, before going that one, this is okay, fine. I want to display the data in the browser level. Okay, I want to display this data in the browser level, not here. So I already told you. So if you want to display the data, I mean, if you want to access the data through the websites in the URLs, okay, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Edge, or mobiles, tablets, wherever it is. Okay, if you want to access the data from those devices or from those uh, browsers, then how can we? Okay, so click on back button. So this is the service register right here. SAP gateway client is there. If you click on this one, the data will display it here. And call browser is there. Beside that one, call browser is there. Just click on that button. So click on allow button. So username, password, it is asking here. Okay. So it is coming like this. So I will try to open in the Google Chrome. It will be a bit good. I'm copying the URL and I will come to the Google Chrome and I'm pasting it here. Click on enter button. So once again, it will ask the oh. Okay, it is displaying the data like this. Okay, it is displaying the data like this. Fine. And now I want to display, see here, the service name is there, ZVBAK After that one, I don't have the entity set name. Okay, entity set name is not there. So we need to apply that entity set name here, right? So what I will give? I will give the entity set name like this. Uh, what is that? 1 minute. So click on gateway, entity set, double click on it. Okay, I will copy this one here. I will copy this one and I will go to the web browser. Okay, so click on enter button. So automatically it is coming to the debugging screen because one external breakpoint is there. So it is coming to the debugging screen. So the data is displaying like this. Okay, in the browser level, I'm displaying the data. So 1 minute, I will remove the external breakpoint here. Fine. This is the data. Fine. I want to display the data in the JSON format. Okay. So instead of XML, here you can pass JSON. Click on enter. See, the data is converting into JSON format. Okay. And if you want to give something, uh, 1 minute. Filters. Okay. If you want to give something filters, so how can we apply here? So here, how we have applied the filters? In the same way, here also we can apply the filter. So like question mark dollar filter is equal to uh, VBTBYP is equal to a something, right? VBTBYP equal to a, right? Click on execute button. So same thing I will apply there. Okay, I will apply in the browser level. So before format only, I'm applying it here. What happened? One minute. The URL mystery here. The URL is this one. Copy this one and come to the Google Chrome and paste that. After the service name, we need to give the entity set name, right? So entity set name as well as this thing also. Filter also I'm copying it here and I will paste it here. Otherwise, you can type it manually, no issue. Okay, I'm giving the first operation filter and the second operation is the JSON format, right? So ampersand dollar format equal to JSON. Click on enter button. See, it is displaying the document type as the A only. Okay, now I am taking the customer number also in the filter value. Okay, customer number also. So where can I give? Here we can see something VBTYP percentage 20 equal to percentage 20 is there. Okay, percentage 20 is nothing but some space. Okay, some space. Don't worry about that one. So if you want to remove, you can remove it, but automatically it will take that one. Okay, automatically. equal to A. Okay, and I want to give something Kunnar equal to, so the customer number I will copy it from here. I have copied it, and I will paste it in a single quotation. Okay, now click on enter button. See, the document type A and the customer number equal to 1. Okay, but the sales document number is different here. Okay, only three documents are coming. Okay, so this is the way to open the data in the browser level. Okay, and for multiple ranges, okay, for single range or multiple range, okay, I will discuss about these things. IT filter select options is there, right? So in the next class, I will discuss about this one. So till now, you can practice for IV filter string and how can we display the data in the browser level. Okay, you can practice those all things. Okay, fine. We will meet in the next class with some more concepts. Okay, then bye. Jai Hind.